The mystery behind dice jail. Hello language enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into a fun and intriguing phrase, dice jail. You might have heard it or seen it online and wondered what it means. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding. Dice are small objects with multiple sides, often 6, that are used in many games. They are thrown or rolled to produce a random number. Most of us are familiar with the classic 6-sided dice used in board games. Jail is a place where people are kept as punishment for committing a crime or while they are waiting to go to court. It's a confined space, indicating punishment or restriction. When combined, the phrase, dice jail, might sound odd, but it has a playful meaning in the world of tabletop games. The term, dice jail, originates from tabletop gaming communities, especially those that play role-playing games, RPGs, like Dungeons and Dragons. In these games, players often roll dice to determine outcomes of their actions. Sometimes, a die might continuously roll low or undesirable numbers, leading players to jokingly believe that the die is cursed or misbehaving. As a humorous gesture, players might put this misbehaving die into a separate container or space, away from their other dice. This act of segregating the dice is called sending it to dice jail. The idea is that the dice is being punished for not rolling well. While dice jail is a term that might be commonly known among tabletop gamers, it may not be widely recognized outside of that community. However, as tabletop gaming gains more popularity, terms like these become more widely understood. They reflect the camaraderie, humor, and superstitions that can be found in gaming groups. For English learners, it's an example of how specific jargon or phrases can emerge from subcultures and how language evolves based on shared experiences and inside jokes. There you have it. Dice jail is a light-hearted, humorous concept from the world of tabletop gaming. It showcases how languages are living entities, constantly adapting and growing with culture and community experiences. We hope this video shed light on this fun phrase, and remember, if your dice aren't rolling in your favor, maybe it's time for a trip to dice jail. Happy gaming and learning!